After we left Kundalika Valley, the program was a bit upset. We were stuck in a huge jam at Kundalika Valley and we had to take back our car to Mulshi, and we lost our way in between and our maps didn't work. So we reached Lonavala pretty late, and surprisingly because the internet was not working and our plan was not so much confirmed, we didn't book any hotel here. So we thought we can come here and book, but surprisingly we couldn't get even a single room so easily. We were about to cancel our plan and go back to Pune and Bangalore yesterday night. Just before the exit of Lonavala, we got a room finally. So we stayed here. So now we are checking out. So we'll be heading to Lohagad Fort. We are expecting a good trek at Lohagad Fort. The kid is also super excited. See you there. Last 5 minutes I'm driving only in first gear. It's continuously ascending and the roads are patchy. Excited to see how it is going to be. Guys, that is Lohagad Fort. It looks mighty. Too huge. We are starting our Lohagad trek now. Time is around 8:50 and it's already crowded. The entrance, there are a lot of food options. Raining and raining. It's all covered with the mist here. Woo!